got speed. Hey, beat him here. Beat him right there. You got to beat him right there.
Too slow to beat you right there, man.
Beat him right there.
That knee buck, you go. Come on.
Shoot that knee twist, you go.
I told you. I told what to see what I'm saying. They are too slow to beat y'all. Yeah. Let's go, man. Just get that butt whooping. Do that. Hey. Come on, man. Don't get beat inside. Yes, sir. Don't get beat inside.
You're not the inside guy. Let's go. Hey, guys, back up. Trust him. You know what they said? Hey, stack up. Two.
I did.
Good recovery, but you gave up the inside too quick.
Yes, sir.
Your kick step, when you kick out here.
I do.
Back.
Okay, yes, sir. Thank you. Let's go online.
Here, fight pressure with pressure.
Yeah, I got next.
Fight it. Upfield. Give me a guard. Jump in there.
Come on.
Game on the inside. Set up. Shoot.